Okay. I'm gonna be putting a new chain on. The chain that came on it really sucks. So I got this one. Hopefully it's okay. It's Japanese. So we'll see if it is any better. Just trying to get all this, as much stuff out of the way as I can. I gotta take the old chain off. The master link is over here, so say 13. And I will have to readjust this once the new chain is on. I'm not sure this really needs to happen at all. I don't think it'll hurt. Okay, back to the master link. Oh man. There we go. And then this chain, I'm just gonna save it. Just have it as like a spare chain in case the other one breaks or something. Seems like a decent time to kind of clean it up a little bit. And the master link that this one came with is a clip style, but I ordered a riveting style just because they're supposedly stronger. So I'm going to see if I'm even able to do the rivet one, because they're supposed to be a little tricky. And if I can't, then I'll just use the other one that came with it, the clip one. Gonna snake this up in here. And this motorcycle takes a 108 link chain. And I got this one, and it's 110 links. I think I have to loosen the axle for that to actually move. Hey. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, so I gotta take these off. Try to figure out how this thing works. This isn't quite the cheapest one of these that they had, but I think it was like $5 more than the cheapest one. So I'm just putting this little hole here, that little hole there, over the pin, I guess is probably what it's called. But yeah, I got that on the other side, and I'm hoping that it seems big enough for it to fit through, so I'm just gonna get this on here, and then there's a little pin, that little pin right there, that this is turning and pushing in. Got this little handle too, it might help. I need to grind it a little bit more. Man, hopefully that's a good sound. I think that it was. But I'm basically just trying to get, I'm closing this thing after I got the other side onto the, it's like kind of captured onto the other side of the pen. It's like one of these. And then I just try to get this like right up against it basically. And then I can start turning. Yeah, I think I kind of stripped the threads a little bit. This thing is very crappy. It's coming out. All right, I got it. Very nice. Yeah, I bought the 110 link because the 108 link was like $20 more, and I figured I could probably just remove a couple links. And so that is very good news that I can. All right, greasing it. All right. So if you're not willing to buy the tools, I guess you're stuck with the clip. Clip style. This portion of it seems to work okay. So yeah, eventually I will get a decent set of these things, and then I'll try it again. It's a little bit tighter, but still moves freely, so I think we're all right. Yeah, it's not too difficult. And this thing, the chain will be moving that way, so this goes on this way, just in case it hits something, it doesn't knock it off. If it's this way and it is going that way, it catches on something, it'll pop it off and leave you stranded. And hopefully pliers are an appropriate tool for that. Seems to work pretty good. Put the chain guard back on. Take off the other foot peg. And I'll be done. Take these gloves off. I'm done doing greasy stuff. I got this stuff. I think it was Torque Test channel or whatever it's called, where he does all the torque tests. I don't know if it's the best, but it works fine. It's certainly good enough. Tends to get everywhere, so I love that. Ooh, man, all that. That seems all right. I'm gonna go tape measure style. I'm going from the center of the swing arm bolt to 22 1/16. Okay. This is just the most intuitive way that I've found. It's just easy to remember how to do it, so I keep doing it this way. A little bit more. That looks just about right. And then after you tighten it, measure it again. And it looks pretty good. Just double and triple check, because you don't want your wheel wobbling and stuff. Like, I'm not sure if that's proper technique, but just trying to get it seated. Yeah, looks good. the old axle. I'm not sure what the torque spec on this is. I think I wrote it down somewhere. Let's see. Rear axle, 50 foot-pounds. This thing kind of gums up sometimes. This is a Harbor Freight one, so I like to try and loosen it up a little bit before going to the actual torque. Because I've had it, I don't know what, if it gets corroded in there. All right, 50. But yeah, I just like to break it loose before I go to the actual torque I'm going to. Because I've done it before and it has been like stuck. To where it just doesn't click at all. It just it keeps tightening. It just stretches your bolts out and makes you all mad and stuff. I think that's everything. Check these. Make sure these are actually tight. So measure them again too. It's not a bad idea. Alright, still looks good. Okay, it is tight. Alright, I hope this wasn't too terrible of a video. Y'all take care.